sugar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kumshi Bynta ban penpau perthai ke jing sngotenat jong ki kena samlah ki kam Ïalehkai sports nakaliang katanat Ïalehkai ke sarkar jilla Kumshi Bynta ke Khelo India University Games ka basau kala penlong de ke jingya rally lingba ki thuk ar shaka minta ka sngi ka khanyo trik urumphang arjar ar pusau hanong ba shlong da ka basdang nadu khandailat ter sudah ki Bynta jong ka lat khra bat ki wei pat ki dong ki than jong ka dong ba shlong nalor ka jing Ïaid rally hagani ka sngi kala don ru ka jing pen bernya lingba ki jing shot ki beli asim Bynta de ki khna samla ya ki bala ai kerteng flash mob hagani ka sngi le don lang ru ka deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills ka kongro suta m kurba ka bala shim ni ka Bynta ban play pa ba ya ka jing Ïaid rally baru ki program pen bernya ka bala penlong hakandai haba keren hagani ka sngi ne kaliang ka kongsan ka kong kurba kala pen pau ka jing sngo kemen ka bede ber ka jingwan shakmat jong ki khna samla banya shim Bynta ki bala don palat san spa ngun ha ki jing Ïalehkai ba pher ki ban sawan Shushu ka kong kurba kala batai ru halor ka thong jong ka Khelo India University Games ka balong kum ka nong yalam bakhlan bor bat ka bapin shlor yi ki khna samla ban penlet jingbot hakabe day bat ki kam Ïalehkai sports ka kong kurba kala penken maru halor ka jingdon kam bandon ka jingya day ka bakhlan hapdeng ka jing Ïalehkai sports bat ka Pule dangle da ka baong ba kine artli ki day banya ya Ryngkat na ka Bynta ban keu shakmat ka jing em kum ki breo shushu ka kongsan kala ong ru ban penkeo yakini baro ar kalong ka badan kambha ka jing em ba malaga sngi na ka Bynta ka bit ka biang jong ka Lawei.
As you all know that we're going to have the Khelo India University Games 2023, which is going to start in the next few days, and Meghalaya has been chosen as one of the states where we're going to host the archery game. So we're going to have about more than 500 participants, and we look forward to welcome our guests, our sports persons from across 213 universities, and we hope that this will bring a message to all our youths over there that sports and education should go hand in hand, and this will give kind of a holistic development for the youth, and we encourage all the young people, that we need to have a healthy lifestyle, that will bring a resilient individual, and also by having sports in our life, we ensure that we live a healthy lifestyle, and also we, in the words of Howard Brown, sports does not build character, but it kind of reveal the character of the sports person. So therefore we look forward to this game, which is going to happen soon, and we wish all our participants the best of luck. Thank you.